Hello everyone, welcome back. In the previous video, we have studied about two very powerful reversal patterns, the bullish and the bearish engulfing patterns. Now, in this video, we are going to discuss about two double candlestick reversal patterns which are much like the bearish and the bullish engulfing, but a little bit less stronger than the bearish and the bullish engulfing patterns. Now, what is the piercing pattern? First, the precondition is that there has to be a downtrend, and after that there should be a red candle day. That is the continuation of the downtrend itself. Now, in the next day, if a candle opens below the close of the previous day, that is, opens below the body of the previous day, and then it moves higher and it closes above the 50% of the body of the red candle, then it is considered to be a bullish reversal pattern. This is called a piercing pattern. So a red candle, the next candle which begins from below the red candle's body and closes above the 50% of the red candle's body. If on the next day we find that the price moves above the high of these two candles, then someone can take a long trade with a stop loss below the low of these two candles, forming the piercing pattern. Now here you have to remember these things very clearly. The criteria is that the body should open, the second candle's body should open below the body of the red candle and should close above the 50% of the body, not 50% of the candle. And again, stop loss is at the low of the two candles, not the low of the body or either of the candles. And the breakout is when the price moves above the high of the two candles. So when this happens, someone can take trade and have a trailing stop loss, because he or she doesn't know how long the price movement can go and how far it can go. So similarly, in the case of an up move, if after an up move there is a green candle and then there is a red candle whose body begins above the green candle's body and closes below the 50% mark, and then only the dark cloud cover comes in. The short trade is when the low of these two candles is broken with a stop loss above the high of the two candles, and then as the price move unfolds in a downward direction, someone should have a trailing stop loss. So this is about the piercing pattern and the dark cloud cover. So we have told or used the terminology day, but when you are using candlestick chart, you may be using hourly chart or weekly chart, or maybe you would be using monthly chart or 15-minute chart, whatever you are using. You can look for this kind of patterns in any time frame. But as with any kind of patterns, the patterns are more reliable if they are happening in a larger time frame. And the price move that is expected after those kind of a pattern formation in the larger time frame is much more compared to the formation in smaller time frame. Similarly, stop loss would be much higher in larger time frame compared to the stop loss that is possible in a smaller time frame. So everything has its own set of challenges. Now let me show you one example of the piercing pattern and also a dark cloud cover in the chart, so that we have better idea about the patterns. Here first we are looking at the weekly chart of IDBI Bank. See, first there was a downtrend, then there was a red candle in continuation of the downtrend, and then a green candle that opened below the body of the red candle and closed above the 50% line. And in the next two candles, when the price moved above the high of the two candles, someone should have taken a long trade with the stop loss below the low of these two candles. And see how beautifully the up move happened after that. Now this was piercing pattern, and now we are looking at the chart of the ONGC, and as we can see that in 2017 November there was a dark cloud cover formed in the daily chart, and see how the up down move unfolded after that. First there was an up move, then there was this green candle, then there was a big red candle engulfing almost 80% of the body of this green candle, and then the price broke the low of these two patterns and then moved down, down, down. So this was about the piercing pattern and the dark cloud cover. So reiterating one thing, that as the engulfing patterns engulf the entire body, the entire previous candle, body of the previous candle, they are a little bit more powerful than the dark cloud covers and the piercing patterns. But both are very important. Both sets are quite visible, quite frequent in the market, and as and when we find them, we can use them effectively in our trading. Thank you very much. In the next videos, we will discuss about other candlesticks patterns. Thank you.